Hi guys, I couldn't help it. I had to repot my Valentine's Day present today. I've got this beautiful red anthurium and I have just divided into these beautiful big pots. So I'm just about to water it a little bit. It was quite a massive pot. Well, it wasn't on a massive pot, but a big growth. So I have decided to repot it. So now I've got 3 pots. Ta-da! And there's the other one. I know, it's crazy, right? But I couldn't help it. It was just so beautiful that I had to grow more. So there you go, as you can see. This is my second pot. And just giving it a bit of water as I just potted it. That's one, so let me bring the other one out. Okay, here's my other pot. This one is in the little container or a vase. So just a bit of water for now. And this, it was or is my beautiful Valentine's Day present. A lovely, lovely, beautiful anthurium. Look at that, isn't it gorgeous? Yes, I have just repotted them, and so I'll have more of these beautiful plants in my home. So how is that, hey? So that's one. There you go. That'll be nice and bushy next year. And this is my other one, which I have showed you earlier. So I have just repotted it. As you can see, it's absolutely gorgeous. There you go, guys. Excellent. Now back to my original. This was obviously the mother plant, but not on this pot. This was the original pot, and I moved into the bigger one. So this is the halves of it, and the other 2 is a quarter. So I cut it up in 3 ways, and 2 lots in here, and the other one has 1/4. So look at that, isn't that beautiful? I had to grow more. Isn't it great? I love it.